I believe Pythagorean theorem is going really well for most of us. So of course we're going to start doing that into some real world applications now and making sure that you guys understand how to solve problems with that. So let's just go through a couple of word problems. I know they aren't our favorite, but it's important that we go through them. Your assignment today actually is word problems utilizing Pythagorean theorem, but this way you guys don't look at me like a deer in headlights. You guys have an idea of what we're talking about here. So we'll just start with number one. The bottom of the ladder must be placed 3 feet from the wall. The ladder is 12 feet long. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we get to draw in math. I told you this is my favorite part of math. That's why I love geometry, because we get to be artists. So here's our grass. All right, and we've got a wall. And let's just say that our building is blue today, okay? There's our building, and we have a ladder. We get to be pretty, and we've got plenty of time to do it, so let's just make our art fun, okay? There we go. There's our ladder. Okay, so we have our picture drawn of what they are asking us, and it says that it is 3 feet from the wall. So that means right here, this side, this leg of our triangle is 3 feet. We can see that the wall and the ground are forming a 90-degree angle right there. So we know that we're talking about a right triangle. It says the ladder is 12 feet long. All right, how far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? They want to know this leg right here, and we're just going to label it B. All right, so you're going to set this up. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And we have all right, so we have 3 squared plus B squared equals 144. Oh, it should have been 12 squared. I went ahead and did the 12 squared. I apologize, 144. So we're going to subtract 9 from each side because 3 squared is 9. We're going to have that B squared equals 144 minus 9. What's that give us? 135. You're going to take the square root of each side. Take your calculator to find that out. And it's about 11.62 feet, because they're talking about feet right here, off the wall. So 11.62 feet. That is going to be the leg of that right triangle. All right. Let's see. Number 2 is very similar. Oh, no, this is a rectangle one. So let's talk about number 2. And then from there, I think that should cover all of the word problems or the type of problems that we are looking for or looking to accomplish today anyways. So a soccer field is a rectangle 90 meters by 120 meters. Again, we've got time on our hands. Let's make this picture pretty. It's a rectangle. And it's green because it's a soccer field. All right, and we know that this is 90. And this is 120. All right. The coach asked the player to run from one corner to the corner diagonally across the field. How far does the players run? Or how far do the players run? All right, let's make their path red. They must have gotten in trouble and they have to run. All right, so I want you guys to visualize here. Do you guys see this right triangle? The corner of the rectangle is 90 degrees, so that means that we do have a 90-degree angle there, and it's a right triangle, therefore we can use Pythagorean's theorem. So we're just going to say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm going to say a is 90, so 90 squared plus 120 squared equals c squared. And you guys can pull out your calculator, make sure you take the square root of both sides to solve for c, not just for c squared, and you'll be able to find out the distance that they ran. Again, they're measuring here in meters, so you need to make sure that your answer is in meters and it is distance, so it's not meters squared or anything, it's just that many meters. It's the length of the side. So that's just a gist of all of the story problems that you're going to be going through today. You need to draw pictures. It's the time to be pretty in math, and like I said, you've got the time, so let's use it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me, contact me through Remind, shoot me a message on Google Classroom, and I will get back to you today for sure. And enjoy your Easter break. We'll have new assignments continuing with Pythagorean's theorem on next Tuesday. Have a great day, guys.